Step 3. Preparation before operation. 1. Use the vacuum feeder to transfer coffee into the hopper. Press feeding to turn this function on. Click on OFF button to turn the feeder on. When the hopper is enough, press feeding again to stop section. 2. Capsules preparation. Open the vibrating capsule sorter cover and load the empty capsules. Push stackable capsules into the silos along the track, such as aluminum Nespresso, K-Cup, etc. Check the underside of the disc. Ensure no station is pushed upward. Press jog button for several times. When the machine pulse reaches 650, press jog button repeatedly to cycle the disc through one workstation. Confirm the disc rotates smoothly. Press run button and let the disc spin idle for 5 minutes. Nothing is stuck that would prevent the production line from running.